Ready for an adventure?
Yes, let's go!
Good. Hold on tight. I am inevitable. The universe requires correction, and I will bring balance. We have to go, now!
I'm coming, Hulk!
Stay close, don't stop! The universe will be mine. I will have order through conquest.
Keep it steady, almost there. Vitals are dropping, move faster. Loading now, clear the doors!
Breaking news, the Hulk is down, critically injured in a city battle. Emergency responders are on the scene trying to stabilize him.
Threat analysis complete. Hostile inbound. Diverting power to defenses. Suit at 100%.
What happened? You're safe now. Easy, big guy. Tony, this place is incredible. Focus, big guy. The readings are spiking. Right. What's the plan?
Rock!
System check complete. Affirmative, all systems operational. Initiate synchronization. Synchronization complete, we are one. All right, let's see what we've got here. Initiate full diagnostic scan.
Ready for action, Stark? Always, big guy. Let's do this. Then let's smash some bots. Rawr! Your strength is nothing against Hellfire. Hulk smash! You defy a god?
I have to!
The universe will kneel before me. I am inevitable. Hulk will smash! Rah! Hulk strong! Rah! You cannot win. Hulk strongest! You have my respect, Stark. Too bad I don't want it. Inevitable. Not today! Fall! Hulk smash! Rah! Hulk crush all! You wanted the Hulk? You got him! Feel the power of Stark Tech! Time to smash this city! Rock! You cannot hold me! Ah! Rock! Hulk break you! You cannot win, monster. Hulk's strongest true power! No! Hulk smash! Stay down. This is over. You'll regret this, Stark. Regret? I'm just getting started. Surrender now, or face the consequences. You cannot hold me! I will break these chains! Witness my true power!